Hi, good afternoon. We are staff working in Sampoorna College, and he is Dr. Shivkumar, Head of Horticulture Department, and I'm Praveen, working as an agronomist here. This, whatever the place that you're seeing, is called as Shadenet, wherein we give practical training or practical exposure to the students to grow the crops by their own what do you call the activities, and they have a facility called Earn While You Learn. The students can grow crops and also sell the produce and earn their income. And moreover, this also has an impact of learning about the technical aspects of growing crops as well as the plant protection and other activities. We grow crops like for both for experimentation and as well as for the production purpose. Here, you can see some of them are grown tomato and some of the cucurbitacea crops and also some of the leafy vegetables. This will have a positive impact on the students in the learning behavior. That is, they have the hand and mind coordination, wherein whatever they learn that sticks in the mind, and this leads to a better learning and understanding capabilities. Sampoorna International Institute of Agriculture Science and Horticulture Technology was established in the year 2016, and it's got its affiliation from University of Mysore, and we have also got our accreditation from ICAR. The subjects that are handled here are agriculture and horticulture. Agriculture is one of the main activities or main subjects that has been taught, in coupled with horticultural subjects. We have very good infrastructure and lab facilities over here. Lab is also well equipped, and with modern tech equipments also, the students can also do the analysis works both in the in situ and also ex situ levels.